Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kasorkar jela kala bu thong ban shna la ka jong ka de-addiction center na ka bentaban ai jing sumar ya gibreu na kaleng ka jela ki bala kerni ha ka jing di yo drop. Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare Uma Kermenshela ha ka jing kran bat ka Batisi TV ha ka arpu pratrek ujumang arajar khat khandai ulaya thu ba Ketenat Social Welfare kadang ya thirsani bat Ketenat ka koi ka khia kasorkar jela ban shna ya ka ne ka de-addiction center ban sapnya nadong shadong da kasorkar jela. Yamanta ki don henriu teli ki de-addiction center bala penyai da ki non-governmental organisation ki ba kentup ya ka Suncare, ka Kripa Foundation, ka New Hope Center, ka Asha Bhavan, ka Breakthrough ka badon ha Sorjoai jong ka West Giant Hills District, but ka Wisdom ka badon ha Umdihar ka Bahap hapo Ribhoi District. Kat kum ka Kaipot Tokit bala le house nam arjar khandai daga Northeast India Drugs and AIDS Care kala penpau baka jingdon jong gibreu ki baju im kerni ha ka jingdi yo drug ha Meghalaya kala kiu shaka khanyo hajar praspa life laingot haba yanu jor bat hadu usnem khat khandai spa khandai phokhandai ha ka baki breu ki baju kerni ha ka jingdi drug ka longtang sanspa sanpun reungun.
Yes, jingdi but the addiction center nomor hakni hi don company involved ya ka health department ro at the same time la don kata ka jingkren ding ka social welfare but ka health department on set up ya ka the addiction center jong government the addiction center te nalian jungi pat kum ka social welfare nila ya pungkre ai de don kam ki ban ya ni billing mo man shi ka steps ban ukloi no ya to. But at the same time, even from health department also, I believe the same. Kita rukin persiang iban le ya ke ikbudon kam. But yamantahi long kadang don tang ke cimikren, but kamu kadang ya hi internally. Andai ban ong big bekeniga la long hadu kata persen. It's not wise for me to say all these things. So I believe with the times means la ban petip yo ba keniga di addiction center bagi temu. Kalau long ha kata ke level bila. So for now kadang dot kita cakap ban include ka MHIS ya katu ngam donot ba banong nomor kitu kidon mo kitu ki criteria especially ya kumbangi previously uno ba pensitom yana de kum kini mah di drugs ni kiat is not included. So for now nalian jonga ngamut panong ke health department baka rai hajing de tu. So
ato ba nakaliang jong pisnyo day ni
yeah, I feel that it should be included, especially once they are included la yo to chipang. So if they are included, it will be much easier long can be great help for the patient. So I feel it's a very important, it's a need to include them too. Why it's late that I cannot say mo. Tip ke down re yamantahi kumbangi aumentan mo. But the reason how to it's not only one department involved. So kidon ki ada department to involve haji ide bat kene. So maybe because of that, so we'll find out ke solution the best way and which way it can be done. Kenapa kene kan deploy ban yo mo ban long kenapa kini kiba adik kin yo pertama in la ban include ban rui kia tu. What I feel personally that is not right for them to chase mo ban be gitu at any time. Boleh why they set up this de-addiction center means ban yada ban ajing rap kenang ban cure no gitu ka addiction mo. It's not that ladakim la. It's not that ni omah ba ya baru they can cure it, but unless they should give them a chance. Tambala ibang la ban cure, then they chase them out. That is not the right way. What I feel. So they should give him more time until and unless itu kibahaying jong to patient they surrender by themselves because kito ki the addiction center they got paid. So of course that is their responsibility ban pay jing ete ban une ko hakno guru kom min wat kilat ban ai jing sumar So that is, I feel so bad for what had happened. So if any case kum kita baca, so I request please let us know ke action dan convention yang jungi. We are ready to take steps long ban I keji hikai leni long ban penima what's supposed to be done, because I didn't accept all these things. The drugs policy actually how to be done hadut life legal department ke involved mah social welfare, health department, education department. So mentah gitu ke last time mila don ke cibukre aji debat itu ke drugs policy. So for now ngang buat yo bahaya kan ke status juga. So I think within few days min pen mah ke status.